Isn't it every girl's dream to look flawlessly fabulous and glowing all day, every day? I know, and I'm here to share with you these super easy and quick skin and makeup hacks to make you look natural yet flawless, just the way you like it. While you're in the hot shower, gently tap and massage your face in circular motions to increase the blood circulation that will give you a lovely glow. Steam and massage work great for a healthy looking skin. Instead of applying a moisturizer when your skin is towel dry, apply it when it's damp to lock in the hydration for a fresh look throughout the day. Another super essential thing is lip care. Use a nice lip balm before you apply your lipstick to prevent your lips from chapping. And if your lips are facing dryness like never before, we have petroleum jelly to your rescue. We all want that summer glow now, don't we? A less known hack is to use a little bit of your highlighter with your moisturizer before using it all over your face. It'll get you glowing in how? For this, I'm going to use a small amount of Lakme Moonlit highlighter and mix it with my moisturizer and gently dot it on my face. Using BB cream with a little bit of concealer to cover your problem areas helps with the right coverage and a natural finish. Let the concealer sit for a minute and then blend it using your fingers gently. If you're covering any pimples using the concealer, don't blend the concealer on your acne, but blend it around its area only. Opting for a lip shade which is closest to the color of your lips will give you a very natural look. Try to avoid deep reds or even beige shades because they look like you have makeup on. A super cool trick is to dab the lipstick instead of swatching it for a natural finish. If you want your eyes to pop but want to skip the eyeliner, use your kajal pencil to fill in your upper waterline for the illusion of thicker lashes. Complete your look with tons of mascara. There you go, natural beauty. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. For more such videos, follow Be Beautiful on Facebook and YouTube. You can also find us at bebeautiful.in.